Hi my beauties, it's Chrissy Marie here, and let me just get it out the way. Let me get it out the way really fast. This is a sponsored video. Again, you guys know I already have, like, even when someone sends me product, I'm going to give you my full opinion. It's not going to be something off just because it is sponsored, but I did let you guys know that in the past videos that I was looking for some 3D lashes that are inexpensive, and I believe that I found them. This is from My Lash Fetish. All of the information will be in the description box below. I do have a coupon code for some monies off, okay? It is Chrissy Marie, so make sure you use that coupon code if you would like some money off of your purchase. But yeah, these are the style Junkie. You guys know I have like a speech impediment. Like, people think that I have an accent. Like, I live in Ohio, and people from Ohio think that I'm from somewhere else because of the way that I speak. But yeah, so this is the style Junkie, and I really like it. It reminds me of the 615 Salon Perfects that I usually buy from Walmart. And my baby is in a room with me as usual. He's waking up. But yeah, this is a quick little summer routine that will have your face, okay, glowing from afar. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just continue to watch the video. Hi my beauties, it's Chrissy Marie here, and I'm coming to you all with a summer routine that will have your face glowing, and it's really easy. This is a sponsored video with My Lash Fetish. And they sent me some lashes. I also have a coupon code for you girls. It is Chrissy. Excuse me. It is Chrissy Marie, and you get 15% off of your lashes. They sent me this style, which is Junkie, and I also was sent some eyelash glue and some lash cleaner. These are 3D Mink lashes that are reusable up to 25 times. So I think that is a great thing. I have already did my base. I have already put my foundation and my concealer on. I'm going to hop right into the video and set everything, because I honestly forgot that I was even going to be doing a video. So that's why I put that stuff on prior to recording. But we're going to get right into the video and start doing this little routine. I do have my son sitting right next to me, so if you guys hear some grunting, that is him. Everything for My Lash Fetish will be in the description box below. My coupon code, as well as the Instagram and the website. But I'm going to start off by setting my concealer with the Laura Mercier. This is the Glow Translucent powder, and I really like this powder. I didn't think I was gonna like it when I first put it on, but girl, shit was bomb when I walked outside. So I'm just going to make sure no creases are there, or minimum creasing. Then look, that's nothing but shimmer. This is going to be my everyday summer routine, just to make sure that my face has that glow. Nice little bronze look, easy peasy lemon squeezy, something real quick to do before I head off to work and things of that sort. But yeah, so I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer by Rihanna. I did not contour my face. I really don't like contouring my face on an everyday basis, especially in the summer. I just like bronzing it up just to give me that tan look. I got this little pimple right here that's driving me insane. I've been using tea tree oil on it, but I don't know if it's making it worse or whatnot. And my hair has grown so much. Oh Lord, it has grown so much. I am so proud at my at my length right now. Like, proud of my length, Lord. It's like when I've been gone for a while, I don't even know how to talk in front of the camera anymore. It takes a lot of courage to get in front of this camera and talk, especially when I don't like talking in front of people, or like, I don't know. I have never been the type to like do like presentations in front of classes or anything like that. I will always get really nervous. I'm just contouring my nose now with the same bronzer, but yeah, I will always get really nervous. And like, even with like pre-recording for you guys, I'm always a little nervous, especially when I first began YouTube, because I hate my voice. Like, it's so deep and just raspy. But then, like, I had got comments like when I do what is it, live on Facebook or live on Instagram, and like so many people compliment me on my voice. Like, oh my god, your voice is so sexy. I don't know, but yeah, so many people compliment me on my voice. So now I'm like, okay, but I still get a little nervous. I'm just setting everything now. So yeah, I just bronze up my face a little bit, and then I'm going to go in with some concealer to sharpen my brows. They are not done. I'm trying to let them grow out because I messed them up. So I'm letting them grow out, and then I'll start getting them waxed again. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of shadow on my eyelids. So I'm taking MAC's Quad Shadow. This is the Patrick Star. And I'm just going to take this brown color right here, which is one of these colors. I don't even know. I can't even read that. It's so glittery. But yeah, I'm just going to put that in my crease. You know how like the reflectors, it just makes my eyes hurt trying to read something that's like a mirror in a sense. And I'm just going to deepen up my crease. After that, I'm going to take this shimmery color, and I'm dabbing my finger in it and just lightly patting it on my eyelids, just to give my eyelids some shimmer. And taking that same brush that I used for the crease and just blending everything in. And then after that, I am going to just sharpen up my contour. I'm taking a local brand. This will also be in the description box below. This is Level Up's Cosmetics. I have done a review on this product before, but I'm going to take this just to sharpen up my contour. And I will leave that review in the description box below as well. And if y'all haven't tried this sponge, I got it from Target. It was 2 for $10. This sponge is everything. It's from Sonia. It's everything. And I'm just taking my Sephora Micro Smooth in the color tan. This is just powder. And just going to sweep all of that away and blend everything in. I don't know how good I'm glowing in the camera. Now, I don't know if y'all can see the glow that this Laura Mercier translucent powder gives me, but girl, I'm glowing over here. And during the summer, I never like to use like for an everyday look, I love to put a white liner in my waterline, so I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to give myself a little small wing just so my lashes blend in really good. Wait, no, I'm not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray myself with some Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Alright, and then I'm going to throw some more highlight on because again, this is a summer glow look, and although I'm already glowing because of this setting spray, I gotta glow more. So I'm going to take my Huda Beauty palette and I'm taking seashells and I'm going to use that a little more. Alright, and then I really like a peach cheek for the summer, so I'm going to, I usually take my MAC, it's like a shimmer micro, I don't know, it's like one of the shimmer blushes, but since I already have this palette out, I'm just going to take my Zanzibar in this palette and I'm going to use this for a little color on the cheeks. Alright, and then just to finish off the eye so that my lashes blend, because I'm not doing nothing too heavy, I'm going to do a small little wing with my NYX liquid liner in the color black. Alright beauty, so after applying some mascara and doing a wing liner, this is the lash right here. Y'all know this camera is always not focusing. Let me see. This is it. The style is Junkie. So I'm going to use some of the lash glue that was sent to me and apply these lashes. I'm going to speed up this process because it is tedious, but this is the lash. I think it is super cute. So yeah, let's just apply it. So this is the lash. I don't know if it's like zooming in. I don't know if you guys like my light in this way, but I figured if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I'm always having like problems with my camera focusing on me. And I learned that it was the lighting that was like throwing it off in the back. So let me know if this is a better lighting situation for you all. But yeah, these are the lashes. I really like the style. I like the glue. It is clear. I am one who like, when I put on my lashes, I always end up getting some black glue on my actual lid. So yeah, I like the fact that the lash glue is clear. Again, my coupon code is Crissy. See? It's not focusing on me. My coupon code is Crissy Marie, and it is 15% off. I think that is a fantastic deal. So you guys make sure you go to that website. It will be in the description box below, as well as all the information for Instagram. But we're going to finish off the look. I'm just going to put some mascara on my bottom lash line, just to finish off the eyes. Again, this is very simple, a nice glowing look for the summer months. Alright, and then for lips, I am just going to take NYX. The color is Downtown Beauty. It is just like a nude or a brown. And I am taking my lip gloss. This is the Tokyo collab with Crayon Case. This is the Dipping Sauce lip gloss. So this is the finished look. I think this is wonderful for a summer routine. It is very glowing and just really chic in my opinion. Not too much, not too little, but the glow is real over here. I don't know if you guys can see it as good on camera as I can in my mirror, but the glow is real over here. If you like these lashes, make sure you go use my coupon code. Again, it is Crissy Marie for some monies off, okay? And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? And I'll see you beauties in my next video.